What's up, it's John from Fedora Lifestyle. The time has come. One of my most requested drawing tutorials is how to draw a dragon. So settle in, let's get into it. Before we get started, please subscribe for more art and drawing tutorials. Okay, let's start this dragon by drawing an oval with 2 lines for the neck. Then at the top, draw this rectangle shape. Okay, more like rectangle-ish. Now back to the top of the first oval, draw a circle for the left shoulder with curves for the bicep and forearm and the claws. I went with shorter claws, but I also think this would look great with longer ones. Now the right arm is almost the exact same structure as the left, just half hidden by the body. I also included a thumb if you're going for more of a human hand. Moving to the legs, start with an oval, then curve it down in an L shape to form the hind claws. Or is it a foot? You tell me. For the right leg, I drew a circle for the knee and another curved L shape for the claw. Now draw the long curved tail. Just be sure it tapers at the end. Now up to the face, draw the top of the mouth just below the middle of the rectangle, then a curve for the lower jaw. The angry eye is a small teardrop shape. Now we need those 2 long horns, which go straight from the top of the forehead, and a small triangle for the ear. You can also draw teeth at this point if you'd like. Okay, now it's time for the wings. I like to start by drawing the overall shape of the wings. It's important to get your composition right before adding details. Then we can add the folds of the wings, kind of like the fingers of a bat wing, and the curve of the membrane at the end. Now erase the entire drawing. We want the end result to look as clean as possible, so let's get rid of those sketchy lines. Then imagining the lights coming from the right, lightly shade everywhere but the top of the head and the top of the forearms and claws. Note I have a very loose grip on the pencil for lighter shading. Okay, now outline the entire drawing. I always like this step the best, it's when we can really see the drawing come together. You can also add little spikes on the tail if you'd like, and curve parallel lines on the belly. Now repeat the shading step, but this time add a darker midtone on the body and tail. Before finishing the wings, try varying your line weight on areas that are closer to you, like the left arm, the base of the left leg, and the lower jaw. Finally, give the wing some texture by using darker, scratchy shading. I try to shade along with the form of the membrane. And with that, you're done. Please subscribe, like, and share.